Consumer Cellular Voicemail is a digital answering service that captures missed calls. To set it up, dial 86 from your consumer cellular phone. Follow the voice prompts to create your mailbox. You'll need to record a personalized greeting. Set a 4 to 6 digit PIN for secure access. Keep the PIN memorable and secure. This setup is quick and easy, usually taking under 5 minutes. Consumer cellular voicemail setup remains user-initiated via phone prompts, with no app-exclusive features required. Your greeting can be up to 30 seconds long and should inform callers you've reached your voicemail. To change it, access voicemail by dialing 86, entering your PIN, and selecting the greeting option. You can reset your PIN via 86 or through customer service. It is important to regularly update your PIN to ensure account security. Once set up, retrieve messages by calling 86, entering the PIN, and navigating the menu. Features include saving, deleting, or forwarding messages,